Hello guys, welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Brimo speaks on decision to wear G-string in his video. Olawale Ashimi, Nigerian songwriter and singer, better known as Brimo, disclosed the reason he wore G-string in the visuals for Hey Ya. Hey Ya, a track of Osho, his sixth studio album. In the music video, he was clad in G-string while playing a piano. The clip left many Nigerians expressing their different views on the social media. A Twitter user at Steph Dera had inquired about what informed the singer's choice of the dress for the video. Why was Brimo wearing a G-string? The Twitter user had asked. Responding to the question, the 33-year-old singer pointed that his choice of G-string was to demonstrate Africa's actual way of dressing before clothes and other attires were introduced to the continent. In his words, he said, "Because that was the height of advancement in clothing across the continent before others came and gave us real clothes. And we've never evolved past that period. Take the imported piano and bridges and cars and high-rises in our cities, and all that's left is the loincloth," he wrote on Twitter. Guys, do you think that's enough reason for an artist to be dressed in G-string for his album visuals? Let me know what you think about Brimo's reply to the question in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. If you're a new viewer, still click on the bell icon to get notification when a new story drops. Stay tuned guys.